Chapter 4 The Quest for the Return of the Ring of Destiny and Stuff. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. So tip me over and pour me out. Amen. Aha! Wait a minute. I tried this once before. And I won't be fooled again. Aha! All done. Now nothing can go wrong. No, sir. You can't fool me twice, because I've got mind powers. Mind powers, I tell ya. Well, here goes nothing. Go on, flip that thing. Something's afoot. Grandpa! Are you okay? Why, Big Jim? Why? Grandpa, I'm not Big Jim right now. I'm Commander Cupcake. Yeah? Well, big whoop-de-doo. I gotta get out of here, man. I gotta get that ring back. But you can't leave, Grandpa. For it is written, only the pure heart may use the cupcake exit. I've got a pure heart. Pure as a flippin' snowflake. Grandpa, I want to believe you. But ye must prove thyself. How? Well, I made this costume for you. Put it on, and together we shall fight for liberty! And for cupcakes. And I shall call thee... Sprinkles! I will never wear that preposterous costume! End of chapter 4.